At ang mga balita sa araw na ito. Yung nakapolo ka. Ito po ang mga balita sa araw na ito. At hindi pa po ako nagsusuklay. Yeah. Okay. O, diba gulo natin hair natin?
Ano tutawag sa'yo dahil?
Wala mga scammer yan, kaya hindi ko sinasagot. Okay. Ang gulo ng hair ko.
Game ka na?
Oo, game.
Hanap ka na dyan ng...
Yung kanina.
Pag mag-start ka na, sabihin mo sa akin para mauna.
In the nights when I can't help but cry and wonder why you have to leave me. Love would never end, but if this love's not ours to have, I let it go with your goodbye. Tatanong ang isip, hirap maintindihan. Kahit kailan di kita iiwan. We were so in love in a special way, and knowing that your love made me feel oh so right. But baby, before I let you go, I want to say I love you. Bibitinin ko muna kayo. Mamaya pagbalik natin, ayan, kasi kailangan ko nang mag-ano eh. Lasang na kasi may short live tayo, so mamaya na ulit guys ha. Pagbalik ko malay nyo, kajuwat na natin si Tita Cora. Okay? So anyways, I'll come back. Ilang minutes lang to. Bye! Testing lang kasi to. Testing. Bye!
Pa-comment naman po kung naririnig ako. Ang hina ng instrument, ay ano kanina eh.
Same, pero...
What will I sing?
Maybe this time.
Ano ba yan? Ano pa ba? Iba?
Anong IPM?
Ito na nga lang, karaoke. Nyemas. Ha! Dapat kasi may isang bang mic eh.
Ay, hindi.
Visit. Please like and share and send stars. Ay, ayan na. Friend of mine. Ang song namin ni Lloyd. I've known you for so long, you were a friend of mine. But babe, is this all it ever be? Feeling of emptiness that makes me feel sad. But then again, I'm glad, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing. Till I met you, nag-comment kayo doon. Hoy! Hindi ako yung nag-comment sa... Langya ka talaga. Hayop ka, nag-comment ka sa live niya. Can't describe. Words are just not enough. Can't explain just how long this madness will last. 'Cause I think I'm in love. Uy, teka lang. Kasi ang sakit dito sa panga eh. Guys.
Kung may makakita, mga araw na nagdaan, ang Baboy. Oh.
Kay tamis ng araw ng... Hoy! Totoo ba yan? Hindi ko natutunghayan ng mga... In your eyes I can see my dreams' reflections. We're drifting safely back to shore, and I think I've finally learned to love you more. Who is that girl I see?
A lot of you are sending me some PMs and asking, Papa Jackson, okay ka lang ba? Alam ko po na may pinagdadaanan ka. Okay po ako. May pinagdadaanan po ako, pero okay po ako. At hindi po ako galit. If anything, sabi ko nga kagabi sa live ko, I'm exhausted. It's more than being tired. I'm just completely spent, no? And I think as human being, you should be able to, diba? You should be able to feel that, no? Dapat libre kang maramdaman yung pagiging pagod, kasi ang pagod meron niyang ang pagiging pagod meron po yang gamot, pahinga lang pagod niyan. Ang pagod niya, pahinga lang po ang sagot niyan. Alright, so I'm tired, I'm spent, diba? Sabi spent, ubus ka na talaga. So I'm spent, I'm exhausted, but I just need some rest. Alright? I just needed some rest. Kailangan ko lang ng pahinga. Diba, pahinga natin. And last night, I didn't have a show. Diba? Hindi yan secret. Na para hindi nyo malaman. I was not able to go on air. I was not allowed to go on air. The reason, hindi ko na masabi sa inyo. No? You will know in time. You will know in time. Right now, hanggang doon lang muna. Pero ginawa natin ng paraan. No? Ginawa natin ng paraan last night. We went on air last night. Online, live pala. No? Nag-live tayo kagabi. We had 3 callers. It's the same thing. Wala lang yung mga background. No fancy lights. Walang maliwanag na ilaw. But it's the same sensibility that you had from me. And I'm so glad you appreciated that. Na-appreciate nyo siya. And a lot of you are sending me messages. Uy, kasi gandang kara. Hello. Magandang araw sa iyo. Papunta na ako sa iyo. Thank you. Diba? Kaya mag-alala, I'm not clueless with what I gave. Diba? And diba, full disclosure, ako naman yung umalis sa posisyon na iniwan ko, but with a heavy heart. Okay? With a heavy heart. Kung ano man po yung dahilan, ikukwento ko sa inyo balang araw. Parang meron kayo inaabangan sa akin, parang Netflix series ba ito? Maraming salamat po sa checking on me. I had several friends calling me this morning. Para bang as if I lost, diba? So much in life. No, baka may mga may mga nagko-comment kagabi sa live. Hindi ko na lang binasa kasi siguro nakaligtaan ko, pero nabasa ko naman siya, no? Baka nga redirection ito ng buhay. I'm not big with the spirituality and religion and whatnot, but I had always been a believer that when there is a chaos, it's a turning point. Turning point yan. So, ikaw na nandun ka sa crossroad na yan, it could either work for you or work against you. Alright? It could either work for you or work against you. So, I intend this to work for me. Okay? I intend this to work for me. I intend that this will yield better relationship with us. Kasi, ang totoo niyan, you can hate me as a person for all you want. Diba? But you love the way I give advice. And it's not kahit makalbo na ako, magkaedad na ako, it is something that I can offer you. Diba? It is something na kaya kong i-offer sa inyo. So hindi ako takot. Kasi I have something to offer. I am not clueless with this profession. Okay? Hindi ako clueless. I have something to offer. And there are many avenues to offer it. Di ba na ako maka-ere? Di ba? Sabi sa akin, baka next week pa ako maka-ere. You deserve to know, di ba? That I might be able to air next week, di ba? So, it's no longer within my control. But what I do with the platform that I own, this one, itong platform na to, is completely on me. Akin to eh. Di ba? Akin to.